What's up everybody, William Petrow here. We're at Lime Rock for Grid Life this weekend. I'm here in my 2014 370Z, which is, really it's a rally car, but I use it for everything. But we're gonna do a quick walk around for you here. Carbon fiber hood from Cybon obviously is the first cue. This is not a Nismo version, but we have Nismo side skirts and bumpers on the car, front and rear. Under the hood is really, really special, super special, right? So under the hood, we got nothing at all. It's all stock. I even have the stock air boxes because for rally, you don't want to pull in all that dust and, you know, water potentially from rain or puddles or water crossings even. One thing I do get a big question on a lot is that, you know, they look at the hood and they go, what are these things? What are these things for? This is for my light pod. And that just kind of plops right here, hooks up. So over here, we're gonna talk about the awesome KONIG heliograms in matte bronze. So these rear wheels are an 18 by 10.5. They are a plus 18 spec. Right now we've got the Accelera 651 Sports on the wheels. These are the 200 treadwear tires through Tire Streets. It's my first weekend out on them and so far so good. So super happy about that. And then the front wheels are 18 by 9.5 and a plus 25. And you can see the way that the car is set up right now is super flush. There's no aftermarket suspension arms or anything, so it sits perfect. If you got a 370Z, this is the spec you probably want. I have the KONIG hub-centric rings underneath all these as well. So make sure when you buy them, get yourself some hub-centric rings. But actually, the fit is really good. It's really flush. And the way that the wheel offset is set up, it fits really well with the fenders. So I'm really happy with the way the wheels came out for sure. CarTech kill switch, electronic kill switch setup in here. So you know, if I go off or crash the car or something like that, EMS gets to the car, they can shut the car off real quick. Inside, we've got a full rally-spec cage built by me. So you can see, getting in this car is super easy. Basically, in here, you know, we've got that CarTech kill switch. This is the interior switch. We've got a hydraulic handbrake in here. We've got our switches for the light pod. We've got these awesome Recaro seats, Takata harnesses. These are 6-point Hans harnesses, handheld fire bottle. We've got a Race Tech steering wheel, NRG hub and quick release. These nice little Race Tech little door pulley things help us get in and out of the car pretty easy. Another feature that you don't typically see unless you look up, this is our intercom for rally car. So I can talk to my co-driver through here. There's also a wire on there. See, you know, we tried to keep most of the interior in this car, unlike my S13 rally car. My S13 rally car has no dash at all, no center console, no nothing. So this car, we wanted to really try to keep the essence of the interior as much as we possibly could. So we kept the dash, we put the center console in it. Car actually has a working radio with Bluetooth. We've got the Bluetooth mic up here if we need to call our crew while we're on the road coming back from, you know, stages out in the middle of the woods. We can give them a call through the system. AC works in the car. Car already weighs like 3,700 pounds.
Do you use the AC when you're racing?
I don't use it when I'm racing on the track, but I will use it for rally because it will detune the car a little bit and not spin the wheels as much. So here in the back, we've got basically the stock OEM hatch. We've got a Nismo wing, and then normally on a 370Z, you would bolt these up through the strut from the wheel well side. We actually drilled holes in the top and then put studs in it. And this is a lot easier to access from here rather than having to go in from underneath, take the wheel off, get up in there, especially when it's covered in dirt and mud and grime and all the stuff. It's just way cleaner, way easier. These lines are actually for the hydraulic handbrake. And going to that, we have behind the heliograms, we've got a dual caliper setup. These are Nissan Z32 calipers. We made a custom bracket to make this work.
What's up everybody, Chris Forsberg here. I wanted to show you this all new part from Broken Motorsports. This is the dual Z32 caliper mount for the 370Z, 350Z, and of course the G35 and G37.
We have, for the gravel setup, when we're running gravel wheels, which are 15-inch, we have a similar Z32 custom bracket setup for the front so we can fit a 15-inch wheel on, because gravel tires only come in 15-inch or smaller. Right now, of course, we've got the bigger sport brakes that are come with the car with some DBA 5000 two-piece rotors, Hawk pads, Hawk track pads. So just to prove that this is actually a rally car, I've got the light pods here and just snaps on in 2 seconds. And that's it. It's got the KC lights. They're 6.5-inch LEDs. They're really good. We get a wire under the hood. We hook up here. But that's pretty much it. You know, thanks for doing a walk around with me. Appreciate you guys. You know, Konig's awesome. We love you guys. And follow me on social media. My Instagram is William Petrow _racing. Duh, that's what I do. But yeah, see you guys soon. Appreciate it.